my first YouTube video. So, for my first video, we had to do Hocus Pocus. Y'all already know that's a Halloween iconic ass movie. So, for the first strawberry, I decided to start off with the book. This one's hecka easy though, so it's like mine doesn't look exactly like the book, but it's a little inspo, you guys. Alright? Alright. Alright, so for our first strawberry, we're gonna be starting off with the book. For the book, we just start off with a milk chocolate base, of course, because it's brown. And then I went ahead and did like random stitches around the book. But I did make sure to do the little stitches around the eye because the actual book in the movie does have it around the eye. So yeah, then I just went ahead and did like little lines everywhere so it can come off as stitches. And comment down below what your favorite Halloween movie is, because mine definitely has to be Hocus Pocus. It's like the best movie in my opinion. Well, not the best movie, but the best Halloween movie, period. So here I'm using a metallic silver edible dust thing. I don't remember what it's called. But yeah, you just go ahead and do the like lining of the book, because in the actual movie it is silver, and that's how it looks so far. And don't forget the little eye, and that's done. Don't tell me that ain't bomb, y'all. Tell me. So for our next strawberry, I'm working on a cauldron. This one's super cute. I ended up doing a black base on this one, so it can be like a black cauldron, you know. But this is still milk chocolate, so I just added black food coloring to it, and then I went ahead and did like a lime green kind of, just so it looks like a little potion or whatever. So that top half, you have to fill it in with green. That way we don't get none of that black coming through. And then after this step, I decided to do like a bunch of little dots kind of around the whole top, and like some dripping down, kind of like if it's a real potion that's like boiling and stuff, you know what I mean? So yeah. So for this next strawberry, y'all already know we had to do Thackery Binks. So I just started off with yellow eyes, and also this is milk based, except I did use food coloring for the black. But yeah, I tried so hard to get these eyes even, you guys. Y'all don't understand how much anxiety eyes give me on freaking strawberries. Yeah. We gonna save that for another video though. So yeah, this is more of a simpler berry. I just did like the cute little pink nose. I shaped it almost like a little heart. And then I did white whiskers, and I ended up doing the ears out of chocolate. I made them myself. It is not a mold. So yeah, he's like finished. Even though at the end I don't use him, you guys. Sorry. Oh my god. This is one of my favorite strawberries of the whole set. So this is actually Dani's witch costume. I know I did more of an orange base, and her costume in the movie is actually like more of a burnt orange, but I really like more of this bright orange. So yeah, I just drew the little sun, some of the sun patterns, and then the moon patterns for her costume. And I freestyle this. Like, it is not exactly like her costume, obviously. And then, like, I just placed those randomly. I didn't go specifically off a picture. So, yeah. So when I was done with the little patterns and they were dry, I ended up grabbing some black chocolate and I did like her little, she has like a little crisscross on top of the costume. So I went ahead and did that. And then she's wearing like a scarf. So I drew her scarf on, but I did forget to do the little, she has like little strings around the scarf. And for this one, I just forgot to add them on. So, but yeah, that's about it for her costume strawberry. It's like so cute. I love it. So, I know you guys are here for the Sanderson sister strawberries. My favorites to make during this season. So, I started off with Sarah. Y'all already know. This one's probably the easiest one just because you just go ahead and draw. Like, her hair is real easy and simple. I went ahead and did her outline of her face, and then I just filled in the rest with yellow, white chocolate. Well, yellow. I added food coloring. Food coloring is your best friend when you're making chocolate covered strawberries, you guys. Well, detailed like this. Anyways. So when that first layer dries, go ahead and go back and add texture to her hair. So Sarah's hair is more of like a wavy straight hair, so that's what I went with. I just added random waves and random straight strands everywhere. And it just adds extra texture to your berry, and that's what gives it like that super detailed look. And now we're gonna start on our Mary Berry. Hey, that rhymes. So for hers, her outline is just like basically like a square because she has like bangs and stuff. So that one's a little easier. And for hers, I did end up going with purple hair because you know how in the movie she has like black and purple hair. But I just like the purple. So we went with the purple for her. And yeah, go ahead and do the same thing you did for Sarah on Mary. So fill in everything. And then on this part, I actually have like a witch mold, like a witch hat mold that I bought last year at Joann's. And I just fill in the top of the witch hat. And that's what I use for her hair. Because you know how Mary's hair is all up and crazy and stuff. So yeah. For Mary, I also went back and just added a bunch of texture. Her hair's like a little crazy, so I just went ahead and did a bunch of swirly swirls everywhere, just to add texture to her hair. And then I went ahead and did that little border for her bangs, kind of. But yeah, Mary's actually pretty easy. It's just her hair that takes up a lot of time with all the swirls that I had to do. And here go the baddest of the baddest, y'all. That's the baddest witch right here. So basically, this one's like pretty easy also. You just have to make sure to add her widow's peak, and then yeah, that's about it. For this one, you have to build up chocolate because you know how Winifred has like, how the fuck do you explain it? You know how she has like those little two peaks at the top of her head? Well, yeah, that's where you build up the chocolate, and that's how I started off with like a little nub. And then slowly but surely, back and forth, I keep going back to add more and more. And yeah, that's about it. Like, same thing, go back, add some texture to her hair, and boom, bada bing, baby, we done. Look how cute these books are that I found at the dollar store, you guys. Hecka cute and totally fit the theme. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed my first YouTube video, and go ahead and comment if what you guys want to see during November. And yeah, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Like, I'm about to start posting on a daily, well, not daily, y'all. Don't be doing too much, but we gonna start posting on a weekly basis. All right, bye, guys. I hope you guys liked my video.